Okay, this is the Chaga Tea section of my fridge. I now have the whole family on board drinking Chaga Tea, and it really has a very neutral flavor on its own, almost like a very light mallowy flavor. So for the girls, I love it straight up, but what I decided to do for the girls was to add some cold brew caffeine-free tea bags. So I've got pineapple mango in these ones. And then this one is like a black currant. You can see it's a darker color. So my girls who like berries, they're drinking this one. And my daughter that doesn't like any berries, she drinks this one. So I make a couple batches every day and I put the newer ones at back. So we drink the older ones first. And yeah, everyone's on board. I'm thrilled. I get excited about these food things. So I have a full video on making this and you can link through to learn more about chaga. And my fridge is telling me it's time to go.